Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.1 question number 2. Why is it better to use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of a line segment? Right. Actually, the answer is if we measure a line segment with the help of a ruler, there may be errors in measuring this line. Why? Because due to the thickness of the ruler, the measurement may not be accurate. Right. That means measurement, the answer is measurement 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 by a ruler may not be accurate, may not be accurate may not be accurate due to thickness of the ruler, due to thickness of the ruler. That means if we measure a line segment with the help of a ruler, it may not be accurate due to its thickness, right? And while dividing, if we use in measuring the length with the help of a divider, then since the divider is very sharp at the end point, therefore the measurement may be accurate, right? In the case of divider, that is measurement by divider, measurement by divider measurement by divider is always accurate, right? This is the reason why you use a divider than a ruler while measuring the length of a line segment. Actually, by measuring by a ruler, the measurement may not be accurate due to the thickness of the ruler, but in case by measuring by divider, the measurement may be accurate. This is the reason, that is why we use divider than a ruler when measuring the length of a line segment.